journey in never too late to become a friend to my Lord. God bless you all. And good night, everyone.
Thank you so much. Okay, next. Next singer.
Alright guys, tatanong na.
Sino pa next?
Alright guys, in live tayo pagdating po ni Aibana Alawi. Ayan, yan na po yung aantay natin si Aibana Alawi po. Ayan, thank you so much po. Live tayo ulit mamaya guys. Pagdating po ni Aibana Alawi. Ayan, bye bye.